Hi ladies! Here are your corrections from today's class. Starting with just a little bit of pronunciation. Horario. Schedule. Schedule. Okay. Panadería. Bakery. Bakery. Escocia. Scotland. Scotland. Okay, now for some grammar and phrases. For example, además. So, además de esto, on top of this, so for example, además de estar frío, hace viento. On top of being cold, it's windy. On top of being cold, it's windy. Tendré en cuenta. I'll keep it in mind. I'll keep it in mind. And let's see here. No estoy acostumbrada de estar en este barrio. I'm not used to being in this neighborhood. I'm not used to being in this neighborhood. Prefiero no ir. I prefer not to go. I prefer not to go. So be careful with not and no. In this case, it's not to go. Sí, estamos pensando en hacer unas obras en la casa. We are thinking about doing some renovations around the house. We are thinking about doing some renovations around the house. Okay, por curiosidad. Out of curiosity. Out of curiosity. Okay, la misma cosa me pasó a mí. The same thing happened to me. The same thing happened to me.